So one of our closest friends is getting married this week, and for the next 3 days, we are basically living inside a wedding. Today is day 1, so we have the welcome lunch followed by the haldi ceremony. Now this isn't just any other wedding, this is the first Gen Z wedding that we are attending. So stick around to find out how Gen Z do Indian weddings. So the wedding location is here at GW Marriott Kolshire. This is one of the prettiest hotels in all of Karnataka. Agree, Shefali?
Yeah, it's too pretty, bro. Just look at it. Technically, this is not even Bangalore.
It is in the outskirts of Bangalore towards Nandi Hills, and it is beautiful. Ruchi has booked out this property for the next 3 days, so I'm excited to explore. First things first, Bobbies, we have the welcome lunch ready for us. It's in the restaurant Alishan. Look at the view from the restaurant, Bobbies. That is Nandi Hills in the distance. So pretty. Bobbies, look who's here.
Hi Bobbies, how are you?
Adit, the groom. It's his wedding.
Yeah.
That was lovely meeting Adit, the groom. Now let's get started with the welcome lunch. We have a soup here. Which one is this?
Tomato soup.
Tomato soup, which is Shefali's favorite.
Is it?
It isn't?
No.
Let's just pretend it is.
Okay, it is my favorite from today because Mohit said so.
The rest of our food is here, Bobbies. We have some paneer, mixed veg, dum aloo, soya chop, saag, dahi balla and tandoori roti. This is a Gujarati wedding, by the way. So we'll have yummy vegetarian food. Bye, Adit.
See you guys during Haldi.
See you during Haldi. Now off we go to our room in this cute buggy. Bro, this property is just breathtaking.
It's so pretty.
I would love to come here for a staycation. So here's the room that Ruchi has allotted for me. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a big room, man. Nice. Did she give me a suite? Bro, is this a suite or is this how all the rooms are? Oh my god. Look at the bathroom. We have a bathtub here. I'm sure the view must be amazing. A separate shower area. A separate commode, I believe. Yes. And now let's check out the bedroom. Oh my god. She gave me a suite. Ruchi, I love you. This is the view from the living room. Beautiful, man. Oh, this is going to be my view for the next 3 days. I am so sorted. Alright, Bobbies, we are all decked up in our haldi outfit. Shefali is wearing a sunflower yellow sharara and I am wearing a yellow kurta set. How are we looking, guys? We got the sunglasses on. The vibes are immaculate. And look who's there. Look at them. Ruchi is right there. Okay. Run. There's Ruchi there. Too cute. Look at them, guys. Wow. So cute they look now.
It's too cute.
Oh my god, guys.
Yeah.
Too pretty, guys.
Bobbies.
Okay, there's an elephant here. See, there's a cute elephant.
Oh,
It's so pretty.
And look at this AR.
wow.
Both of us.
Nice. Their initials.
Yeah.
Okay, search here.
Search AR, huh? Okay.
That's actually
That's hard. Guys, can anybody I spotted AR right there.
It's so evident, bro. It's always
Yeah.
supposed to be on the ring finger.
Oh, it's always supposed to be ring finger.
Is it?
No.
I was not aware of that.
You can, like, people do it there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Interesting.
Are you guys gonna change for haldi?
This is.
This is haldi. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
haldi,
Okay.
yeah.
What?
So we're
I
also-
didn't
You
know. I
what
didn't
a
know.
smart guy,
Because
no?
you give yellow theme, no?
See, but
Yeah, but
technically.
I gave yellow to you, not me.
Oh. Alright, Bobbies, we're now walking to the haldi location. Look at that grand setup. Wow. I have to do my dance performance there now. I'm scared, chef.
Good luck
Chef says good luck.
because I'm out of it.
She's not dancing. I'm Ruchi's best friend, so I have to dance. Here's the setup from up close. Very pretty, right?
Too pretty, bro.
Now they're about to enter. Ruchi and Adit are about to enter now.
So the bride and groom are going to enter only when there is high energy in the house. Are you guys ready? Nah. I can't hear you.
Here they come, guys. Put their entry track DJ.
Sabke family wale. Pink is for the girl side. Yellow is for the groom side. Everybody has a balloon? Yes, quickly.
Pink balloons are for the girls' side. Yellow balloons are for the guys' side. Guys, they are blasting the balloons. जिसके भी balloon बचेंगे वो जीतेगा. Right now looks like yellow balloons are winning. So guys, उधर games चल रहे हैं and there are some live food counters here. We have a live crepe station, pancakes. We have scones, tea cakes. There's a lot of stuff. Finger sandwiches, samosas, pakoras, popcorn. Chef, there's a lot of snacks. You want something?
Where is chart?
Shefali was looking for charts और यहाँ पे live charts आ गए. Cheers. Let's
लड़के
fill
वाले
the
पीछे.
water.
एंड थोड़ा सा डांस फ्लोर में जगह बनाओ. ओके ओके हुक स्टेप थोड़ा ओनली द
Guys, यहाँ
ग्रुप.
पे game चल रहा है. Ruchi
अरे
is inside
दोनों को
this
थोड़ा
circle
struggle करने दो
and
भाई.
Adit is trying to enter the circle. He has to go grab Ruchi. She is the prized possession here. He's not able to enter, guys. Let's go! हल्दी स्टार्ट हो गई guys. दादू अप्लाई कर रहे हैं आदित्य एंड रुचि दोनों को. Say hi to the vlog, guys.
प्लीज सबको इस तरीके से डांस फ्लोर में.
देखो भाई रील्स बन रही हैं अभी. The girls are making some reels. अभी डांस चालू हो गया guys. Everybody is dancing here. Now Adit's chachis and mommies are dancing guys. Wow.
गोली किने खा लिया गोले वाली चाय किने पीती
Well done, AC boys. Everybody audience, come on.
तेनु काला चश्मा जगदा है गोरे मुखड़े पे तेनु काला चश्मा जगदा है गोरे Girls, put your hands in the say
Everybody.
Om Shanti Om.
All two boys,
Come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti Om.
everybody.
It's time for a break from dancing and now we shall eat. And you guys know us. We're gonna start with
PDD.
pre-dinner dessert Bobbies. So what do we have here, chef? We have a New York cheesecake. We have some fresh fruit tart. We have some chocolate mousse and a classic tiramisu. Wow. What else?
What?
This is honestly I don't know. Take it. Here's a plate of dessert Bobbies. Pre-dinner dessert. Tiramisu, cheesecake. And I wonder what this is, chef.
It looks cute.
It is cute. And Bobbies, the party isn't over. Look at them. They've been dancing non-stop for 5 hours now. Ruchi, I know you're watching this. The cheesecake is insanely good. I know you won't eat it because you're dancing non-stop for 5 hours, Ruchi. Take a break. A for आओ रे आओ, B for बाओ ना गाओ, C से चिल्लाते गाओ, D से दारू पीते जाओ, A for We're having some fried rice, Bobbies. Thank you so much.
You know how normal people eat in a buffet, right? Of everything.
I took too much, you're saying?
Yeah, you're not normal.
Dinner by the pool, man. JW is very pretty. That was day one, Bobby. Say bye to
See
Patel.
you tomorrow.